If the world was coming to an end and you were to have one final meal, what would it be? Who would make it? Where would it take place? And who would be performing?
Okay, so I think the first part I would have oysters, and that would be a toss up between the sort of sitting on the water where oh my gosh, Hog Island oysters, sort of outside of San Francisco. We went once. We had oysters. We had roasted oysters with bourbon butter, and we had white wine and a triple creme cheese and some sourdough, and looked at the water. So that or the night that my fiance proposed, we went to 11 Madison Park, which is like a once in a lifetime, super fancy pants kind of place, and we had an oyster from Long Island called Widow's Hole, and they were lovely. They were so great. So the other scenario would be being at 11 Madison Park and having the champagne we drank that night and those oysters. And then this maybe sounds very simple, but I would have a cheeseburger with sharp cheddar cheese and very crisp French fries and a salad. Just, good lettuces and a French vinaigrette. And I don't think I'm too fussy over who would make it, but it would have to be like a bistro style burger, not a thin burger. And then dessert. Well, I'm a big lover of ice cream, so I think I would just eat ice cream until I fell over. With, I I like all ice cream, but I particularly like vanilla with a peanut butter swirl and rainbow sprinkles and whipped cream and hot fudge, and I would just eat that till I couldn't anymore, and I would be a very happy woman.
Wonderful. Well, that sounds definitely worthy of the end of the world.
Yes.